In this video, we're going to talk about 3.3, Objective 5, where we describe points which have certain similarities. So the first question is, where are all points whose x-coordinates are 8? They're going to be on the vertical line x equals 8, which is 8 units to the right of the y-axis. Second question here, where are all the points whose x coordinates equal their y coordinates? They are on the diagonal line that passes through the third quadrant, the origin, and the first quadrant. The line y equals x. It's going to be like this. The reason it's quadrants 1 and 3 is because to be equal, they have to have the same sign. And quadrant 1 is positive, positive. Quadrant 3 is negative, negative. The origin is 0, 0. So question 3, what is the x-coordinate of all points on the y-axis? The x-coordinate is 0. Where are all points for which y is less than negative 1? Below the line y equals negative 1. Where are all points for which x times y is greater than 0? So if the product is greater than 0, then they need to have the same sign. So they can be in quadrant 1. They can be in quadrant 3. They can't be on the axes because that would make their product equal to 0. And they can't be in quadrant 2 or quadrant 4 where they have opposite signs because their product will be less than 0. So quadrant 1 or quadrant 3 is where that is. Where are all the points for which x is less than y? So x less than y is the same thing as y greater than x. So if y is greater than x, we have the line y equals x that we talked about before. And if y is greater than, we're going to shade above the line. This would be the same thing as having that line x equals y or y equals x. If x is less than, it's going to be to the left of the line. So we can say x less than y is above the line x equals y. That's correct. X less than y is above the line x equals y. No, can't be on the line. So it's got to be strictly above. So this should be a broken line here because it can't be on the line since it's a strict inequality like that. So strictly above the line because this does not say or equal to, it can't be on the line. Right? Sorry, this is jumping so far. The points 3, negative 1, 3, 0, and x, y are on the same straight line. Describe this line. So let me write the equation of the line here. So let's find the slope of the line. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Ooh, that's a problem because they all have x equals 3 is their in common. If I would have tried to find the slope would have been undefined. We might get to slope later here. So x has to be 3. Any point on the line is going to be 3. Choose the y value that you want, and it can take on any y value. So, but this is the equation of the line. This is another way to describe any point on the line. It has a fixed x value of 3. You choose the y value. All right. Just a second here. All right, that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and talk about 3.3 Objective 6. See you for the next video.